Welcome to our video about how to cite. A step-by-step guide to creating citations quickly and easily. Citations are an essential part of academic writing at university. There are 5 simple steps you can implement to make this a quick and easy part of your writing process. Step 1. Search for and find the source you need to answer your research question. Before you start reading or making notes, write down the full bibliographic information for the source. This should include the author's name, year of publication, title of the work, the publisher's name, the edition or journal series, and page numbers. For digital sources, include the URL or digital object identifier. Step 2. Write your notes. Label each note with some form of grammar, shorthand, or other symbol to make it clear what type of note you are making. i.e., is it a direct quote from the source? Are you summarizing or paraphrasing the information, or is the note your opinion on the research conclusion? This will make it quick and easy to create in-text citations when you start to write your assignment because the author information is readily available, and you can clearly identify the author's writing versus your own comments and personal observations. Step 3. When you start to write your assignment, identify which citation style you need to use, as each style has its own set of rules for formatting citations. If the style isn't mentioned in your assignment brief, ask your instructor. Find out what the in-text citation rules are for the style of citations you need to use. Step 4. As you are writing and need to include a quotation, summary, or paraphrased extract, you must include an in-text citation. This should be easy because in your notes you have all the bibliographic information you need. Step 5. Depending on your assignment requirements, you will need to create either a reference list or bibliography for all the sources you cited in your writing. Format this list according to the rules of the citation style. As you captured the full bibliographic information for the source at the start of your note-taking process, creating the reference list or bibliography should be straightforward. When citing, consistency is key. Make sure you capture all the bibliographic detail for every source you use to answer your research question. Clearly label your notes so you can be sure which parts require an in-text citation. Ensure you apply the rules of the citation style consistently through your assignment. When you cite a source from your research, you are demonstrating your academic integrity, solid research processes, and the breadth of research you conducted. Citations are an essential part of the academic process, and by taking a few minutes at the start of your note-taking, you will save yourself a lot of time when it comes to writing and delivering your assignment on time. At universitylibrarian.com, we have developed some tools that can help you capture your citations as part of your note-taking process. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope this video helped explain how to create and include citations in your work.